Hi everybody, my name is Dustin Heath. I'm the Director of Engineering Operations at CHR Solutions, and we're here at the Fiber Broadband Association's Fiber Connect in Nashville, Tennessee. So what is CHR doing to light it up? CHR is leveraging our three different business portfolios to help provide a comprehensive suite of tools to help broadband providers perform their engineering operations, feasibility studies, grant applications, construction management, permitting, design, all the way through to our BSSOS system, which is Omnia 360. That helps our service providers provide a state-of-the-art customer experience and e-commerce platform that helps their end customers provide broadband services 24/7. It helps with their maintenance, network operations, and through the provisioning side of things with the technicians and other aspects of that. And then we have our IT managed solutions that we provide, cybersecurity, which is state-of-the-art for the industry. All too often, our broadband providers are new targets to the latest cybersecurity threats, and our comprehensive suite allows those folks to sleep safe and sound knowing that CHR is on the job 24/7 and helps them provide that state-of-the-art tools to provide that platform to keep their lights on and their service operational. So in 2025, broadband is plagued by slow timelines, uncertainty in Washington, and massive cybersecurity threats that are plaguing the industry. So CHR Solutions is providing a comprehensive suite of tools that can help in all three of those aspects. With our state-of-the-art engineering platforms, we're able to streamline our engineering, cut engineering timeframes in half using our fleet of drones and our state-of-the-art GIS technology suites. And we're able to cut down some of the red tape, streamline your processes, and turn projects around quicker. So what's next with CHR? So we're going to continue to develop and push the limits of our engineering platform to provide a greater enhanced streamlined process for our customers and lower your time frames for project completion. With our Omnia 360, we're going to continue to innovate and provide a greater customer experience for not only our end customers, but for theirs, the subscribers of the network. We're going to continue to push the boundaries of that platform to provide greater transparency and greater ease for all parties involved. And then with our IT infrastructure, we're going to continue to be that shield that provides the comfort and reliability that our clients demand and have been clamoring for. And we're going to continue to do that for our customers, and we're going to provide that at a nationwide level.